Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English with SR. Today is the second lecture of sound of letters. Okay, so we have discussed ABC. After ABC, we will discuss D. So the sound for D is the in the. The letter D gives sound of da in da. Let's see the example. Example देखते हैं. शाबाश, अच्छा मेरे बच्चों, शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. दुआ, यहाँ देखिए दुआ. Look at here. दुआ, दाल आइन अलिफ. दुआ. Dog, dog, D wow and da dal and wow and gaf. Dog. Dance. Okay, let's see another example. Door, dress, dress. Okay, so let's see the next alphabet. Let's see the next letter. Sorry. Ooh, E. The letter E gives the sound of alif, zer. E. Alif, alif, alif and ya. Okay, so this is the sound that given by E. So let's see the example. Eat, elephant, elephant. Egg, egg. Air, air, air. Iman, iman. Example, example. Okay, after that we will study F. It is very easy, and the sound for F is fa. The letter F gives us the sound of fa. Whenever you see F, so this will give us a sound of fa. Okay, यहाँ देखिए हमारे साथ एग्जाम्पल जो है. फॉक्स, फायर, फोर्ट जो किला कहते हैं इसे, फूड. Okay, fish, and this is the example and best example given. Okay, after that we will study G. G, the letter G gives us the sound of jim and gaf. Jim and gaf. Ga and ja. Okay, the example. Look at here. Garden. Here, ga, ga, ga. Garden. Okay, general. General. Ja, 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 ja. Let's see another example. Give. Give. Ga. Gi, 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 gi. Give. Goal. Goal. Gate. Gate. Okay, let's see the next. Shabash, shabash. Next. What is the next? It is H. The sound for H is ha and ha. The letter H gives a sound of ha and ha. Look at here, for example. Hair, house, horse, hair. Hamid, Hamid. Here it give us also ha, hamid, ha, alif, ha, mim, dal, hamid. Hair, hair is give a sound of ha. There is a difference between ha and ha, so you should be aware of these two things. Okay, after that we will study I. The letter I gives us a sound of ya and ain. Let's see the example for this. Ice, ice. And I think I have missed this I. It's also give a sound of I am a boy. I am a very honest person. Okay, iron. Okay, imad. For this is the example for ain. Imad, amim, alif, dal. Imad. Ink, insect. Okay, thank you for watching our this lecture. Hope you will understand my lecture, and if you haven't understand, so tell me in the comment box, and see you for the next lecture, inshallah. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.